Hey, David, you're a Houston fan. How far do you take that?
That's a great question. We are all in when it comes to Houston. We are big time fans of Houston sports teams. The Astros are making a great run through the playoffs. The Texans are doing well. The Rockets are awesome. We love the U of H Cougars, the Rice Owl. We're all about everything Houston. And we're also local Houston people. We grew up in this town. I graduated from high school just 2 miles from this very location. My wife and I are both U of H graduates. Our son goes to University of Houston and marches in the Cougar Marching Band. We are big time Houston people, and we decided to put our business here in Houston, and we ask for the support of our fellow Houstonians. We're the ones that step up when your kid needs a sponsor for Little League, or if the school band needs something for a raffle, we're the ones to donate to it. It doesn't come from the big box stores, and it certainly doesn't come from the online marketplaces. So if you're in the market for something, particularly through this holiday season, think local first. Check out your Houston local businesses, small businesses, and give them a chance to convince you. They will give you better service, great prices, and will be there for you if you ever need anything, more so than the online marketplaces and more so than the big box stores. So come and see us at Experimax for a great deal on anything Apple, and we'll be the ones to make you a very happy customer.
Where is Experimax, West Houston?
We're on the Katy Freeway between Bunker Hill and Gessner, across from Memorial City Mall. Come and see us.